Wasun head, Sharun bald head, Ainun eye, Uznun kan ear, Anfun nose, Qadun cheek, Sinnun tooth, Lisanun tongue, Shafatun lips, Jafnun eyelid, Evatun peshani forehead, Zuknun chin, Bulukun neck, Halakun throat, Katifun shoulder, Yadun hand, Asabir finger, Ibham thumb, Sababa forefinger, Wuf middle finger, Pinsir ring finger, Pincer little finger, Sadrun chest, Badnun stomach, Daharun back, Ulmulatun fingertip, Rudnun wrist, Kafun palm, Zufrun nail, Rambatun Sapun leg, Kabun ankle, Dimagun brain, Jujumatun skull, Kalbun heart, Rijnun palate, Hajibun eyebrow, Damun blood, Kabidun liver, Mansperun nostril, Varidun vein, Qasiratun line, Fakun jabla Lihiyatun beard, Sharibun mustache, Harakun pasina sweat, Makfirun joint, Akmasun sole.